Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, it's Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets because most people that has My Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we're only going to use one just to kind of show you that this works and you don't have to do as much investment in it. Sorry for the coughing, I'm sorry. I'm still kind of sick. Sorry. Anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And that's simply because it's a really good business. It's a really good product. It's essentially a funnel builder that you, with no real limitations on it, you can make as many funnels as you want, so on and so forth. Anybody that know about funnel builders, you can use it to make more money, capture leads, stuff like that, and make a whole lot of money online. And this funnel builder is $25 per month. You can make as many funnels as you want. Even connect as many domains as you want, so you can have different things going on. And another bonus is that anybody in the system, any funnel they have made, you can use it. You know, like a lot of these funnel builders have some previews you can use. You can use any funnel that's been made in the system, which is really cool. Really cool thing you could do if you want to. And yeah, it's a really good product, $25. So that's the reason why I like promoting it. I feel like it's something that you should get anyway. And now, the second reason why I like promoting $25 business is simply because it has an 80% recurring commissions. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. 80% recurring commissions is insane, guys. That's so good. That is so good. I've never seen anything like it. 80% recurring, not ever. I've seen 80% initially. I've never seen 80% recurring. Usually it'd be 80% initially. Like if I do see 80%, it'll be initially. And then it'll go down to like 15%. But this stayed 80% all the way through, guys. Which is insane, guys. This is best affiliate program I have ever seen. Anyway, guys, let's show the results here. But first, you know, we're gonna refresh the page here, show real results, make sure the results are real. People, if they don't show you, they don't refresh the page, don't believe the results. All right, guys, it's very easy to change these numbers around. So anyway, let's do that. All right, guys, this looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna head over to My Lead Gen Secrets. We're gonna click all our leads here. Make sure you click on mailing system. Go to click all your leads like that. We're just gonna load up the next email here. We're just gonna keep going like that. Email loaded up. Yep, it's loaded up. Perfect timing. Good. Preview. Make sure the link works. Make sure your link works, guys. I know mine works because I'm just uploading the old email, so I already done checked it. So we just gonna send an email and we are done, guys. This is a link you want to use, by the way. You want to use the all-in-one $25 bidding. This promotes the $20 commissions and the $100 commissions, guys, because people ask me about the $100 commissions. It promotes both. All right, so yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. It's very simple, very easy to do, very quick. Only take you like half a minute to do every day, and you can make yourself at least, like my best month was $680 just doing this. $680. And my slowest months, I'm still making hundreds of dollars at the end of the day. Hundreds of dollars of free money. All right, guys. And this is with bare minimum effort, guys. I am not doing much. I really ain't. I'm not doing much. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. Even with this simple method, you can make money, and it works. You can make people, you can make like high school kids going to McDonald's to work every evening. You can make more money than them. It's crazy. Or door dashers in like a bad neighborhood. Like you make more money than them. It's with this 1 second a day type thing. That's crazy, guys. All right, guys, that's all there is. That, man, we're gonna end it here, guys. If you're interested in following along, the links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.